cicada. Now it's here, I can feel the urge to climb on up, let my soul emerge. I'm here to be somebody, to take my place, to sing my song, let it fill this space. I'm just a little cicada, doesn't really matter what I'm afraid of. It's gonna be okay if I just stay true to myself as a little cicada. Now I'm here and the sun's so bright, my iridescent wings are catching the light. I'm feeling so happy, I just gotta